So.
Alrighty guys, this is our first stop. This is called Notch Peak. It's a real peak down in central Utah, close to a little town called Delta. It's the second highest vertical drop on the continent behind El Cap down in Yosemite National Park. It's about 23 to 2,400 feet off that sheer face right there. And because of that, it's actually a very popular place. People come from all over the country to base jump and wingsuit base jump from the top of Notch Peak. So what we've done is we've gone out with a helicopter, we've scanned the whole thing using photography and LiDAR, and then stitched all of that data back together to create a 3D model for you guys to enjoy today. So all the rocks and trees, everything that you guys see while you're out there, they're all in their correct place, they're all their correct size. So when you're standing at the top, look out, that's what it really looks like and feels like to be standing at the top of Notch Peak. In the future, we are going to be offering a bunch of different locations. Mount Eiger out in Switzerland, you can see right over here on this screen. That's a 3D rendering of it. That's the next location we're going to be offering. That's our guy, Marshall Miller, jumping out of a helicopter to fly it. He went out there with them while they were scanning that one. So that's, again, as I was saying, that's the second one we're going to be offering. It's about 8 times as big as our Notch Peak project, so it's absolutely massive. But we are really excited to get that one done. It's the biggest photogrammetry project that's ever been done.
So is that one you think they're gonna? When are you gonna be able to offer that one?
Hopefully by the middle of the year next year,
okay,
but we're
cool.
not sure.
Oh,
yeah.
We might have to come back again.
Not sure. That one's absolutely huge. We're super excited. We're also going to have the Italian Dolomites, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, New York City, the fjords of Norway.
So you're going to do some structures. All right,
yeah,
cool.
We're going to have a bunch of things. Okay, you guys can follow me up this way. Alrighty guys, head on in. We're going to watch a quick little training video and we'll see you on the other side.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
You ready, baby? Watch the training video.
Yes. Hello, cadets, and welcome to Jump, the world's first hyper-reality human flight experience. My name is Vega, and I'm here to help you relax as we review your flight training. We're readying your jump transport and will be loading in just a few moments. To help you fully enjoy your jump, there are a few comprehensive things that we are going to cover for your flight. The jump suit, the jump helmet, and pro flying tips. Be sure to pay attention and you will find your jump to be one of the most incredible moments you have ever experienced. Just remember, relax and have fun. First, we'll show you how to put on your jumpsuit. This specially designed wingsuit has been customized for your jump today. You should start to feel even more excited, and that's a good thing. After your training, you'll move eagerly towards the loading area. Here you store any loose items and articles in the provided bins. First, you'll stand with your back to your suit. Place each foot one at a time into the suit legs, and zip the black zippers down to the floor. Locate the blue Velcro tabs and wrap them snugly around the middle of each thigh. Put each arm into the sleeves behind you like a jacket. Clip the chest clips into place and pull the purple tabs tight. Locate the 4 orange straps near the tops of your thighs. On each leg there is one on the front and one on the back. Stand up straight. Give these a pull until your harness feels taut. The more secure, the better. Finally, you'll grab the red zipper tabs and zip them all the way up to your chin. Once you're loaded into your jumpsuit, we'll unhook you from our load bay. Just reach your arms to the opposite shoulder and zip down the sleeves. Your crew member will complete a final check and your suit is ready. Great work, cadet. That covers your jumpsuit. We're just as thrilled as you are about the experience you're about to have. Our jump helmet is designed to help you feel secure during your jump. We'll hand you your jump helmet inside the jump bay. Once it's been placed on your head, we'll run a series of system checks inside your helmet to customize your visuals, fit, and audio specifically to you. You'll want to follow the in-helmet instructions to ensure the helmet is perfectly adjusted to you, as it will ensure a positive and secure flight experience. Our final step is flying tips. One of our flying pros is here to give us the best tips and tricks to help you feel confident and have the most fun flying experience ever.
Thanks, Vega, and hello, cadets. This is truly an incredible experience. As a professional who's done thousands of jumps, there are some tips to help you feel confident as you're flying. Remember, you have to actually jump when we say go. As you approach the platform, you'll need to get all the way to the edge, including your toes. When we tell you, make the jump, and I'm totally confident you will. When you do jump, pretend you're a starfish. Be sure to keep your legs straight. You'll fly using your head and turn with your arms. Keep your arms and upper back in a straight position as you descend. To turn, drop one arm and raise the other, and you'll fly in that direction. We've outfitted your jumpsuit to deploy a parachute automatically once you reach a certain altitude. You'll hear a countdown before it opens. Once open, unzip your sleeves to just above your elbows and grab the parachute toggles. Remember, you got this. I need to finish getting ready now. We'll see you back at the jump site. Back to you, Vega.
Okay, let's review. We've covered jumpsuit, jump helmet, and how to fly. That's it. If you need help at any time, just ask your crew member. On behalf of Jump, I want to be the first to congratulate you. You've completed your flight training and are ready to make the jump. Anything is possible now. You seem more relaxed, excited, prepared and secure about your flight being a huge success. In just a few moments, you'll overcome one of humanity's most satisfying challenges. Okay, looks like we finished just in time. We're ready now for you to load. This will be the flight of your life. Good luck, cadets. See you out on the edge.
Alright. And then facing the inside. This is what I'd recommend if you're going to be coming back later on.
Okay.
This is going to give you a chance to get a feel for the seat before going on to these jumps.
Okay.
Well, when you get ready to jump, you can start getting close to that.
Video nomás con video.
Well, I'll have you back up against this seat here. And then Leah?
Yes, here.
Back against this seat. They'll start taking these thigh straps down here and wrapping them around the back of your thighs, just above the Yes.
Que está grande, mi amor.
All right, and then over here when you're ready, I'll have you grab these two bars right here next to you. I'm going to help you get your feet inside the seat. So on this left side, I'll have you pick up that left foot and slide it all the way to the end here. And then do you want me to pull your pant leg down?
Right there?
Yeah, perfect. And then I can help you get your legs inside the suit in just a second here.
Él ya te va a ayudar, no lo hagas tú.
All right, slide your foot all the way to the end here. And here. And then I'm going to slide behind you here, help you get your arms inside the suit. So it's got two layers. We want to get your arms above. So on this right side, let you put your right wrist in here. The left wrist just over here. Then you put the shoulder that's holding on like that.
No.
And there,
All right.
got two chest straps there in the front of your chest. You want to get those tucked in.
Okay.
Get them nice and tight. Not so tight you can't take a full breath. And then over here, I can put you up. So I'll turn these two bars here next to you. This is for you. Here we go. And then take the same idea over here. Take it backwards on the all the way to the end. And I'm going to quickly slide behind you and help you get your arms inside the suit. So on this right side over here, put your right wrist in here, left wrist here. And you put the shoulder of this whole thing on like that. There we are. And there, we got two chest straps there in front of the chest. We want to get this lifted and get them nice and tight, but not so tight you can't take a full breath.
So how do you guys know, like say I'm 6'5", you guys different size suits here? Okay, so you guys
Yeah.
pretty know already who's gonna jump in here, and you'll put the right suits here in front of them.
Exactly.
Okay.
So we have everything.
So this is like the same you see at laundromats, you know? Or,
Yeah.
or- yeah, pretty much.
Somewhere,
Yeah,
actually.
yeah, they bring it.
Brings it all.
Exactly. Okay, what do I need? I need an XL and I need a small.
I can actually get your phone out if you like me to.
No, I'm recording right now.
Oh, gotcha. Oh, you're, rigid.
I got the metas.
Yeah.
Ya veo, la próxima vez.
Yeah, we'll do it again in the afternoon because we got another 5 o'clock one.
When you're ready, mind if I check those on the strap? I'm going to pass this up to you. Have you hold it for me? There you go. Now I'll ask you to use the zippers. Have you zip yourself up the rest of the way. Same over. Here you go. Zip this up. And then last step for both of you is to zip those arms down. Just make sure not to catch your skin.
I can't reach it.
I can get it for you here. And then later on in the bays, you just want to make sure you only zip up no more than like halfway. And then you're good to zip those down the rest of the way here. And then you two want a picture together?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Get this out here, and then I'll have whoever wants to take out their phone.
Oh, it's hers because I put mine in my back pocket.
There you go.
That's fine.
Three, two, one.
No es lo que puede abrir uno las piernas.
And then I'm going to get you both to come back on these hooks down, and then I'll teach you how to operate this. Here we are. So, once we actually get you up to the plane today, and that plane door opens, you'll see a ledge in front of you, and that's going to correspond to the physical ledge we have in each of the bays. So, when you get to go ahead and walk up to that ledge, we'll have you take one foot, slide it until your toes are over. Get a good feel of where that ledge actually is.
Without the headset, right?
With the headset
Oh,
on.
so can you see through the headset?
No, you're just going to be able to see the actual ledge.
Oh, okay. So okay, I was like,
In the
okay.
exact place it is.
Oh, okay, okay.
And then you're going to be feeling forward just to get a sense of where it is with your toes before bringing the other foot up.
Okay.
From there, you get to go ahead and jump. We'll have you bend those knees, lean forward until you start falling forward, then jump directly outwards, kind of like you're long jumping out. You want
Only to record it. Down. The experience.
Yeah, so going up, that's going to make you start to lose speed. To go down, you'll plug your head down like this. That's going to make you start to gain speed. And then once you get down to a certain altitude near one of our landing points, which we're going to have marked with red smoke for you today, you're going to hear a 3-second countdown for your parachute to automatically deploy. Once that happens, you'll be swung into an upright position, and from there, we'll have you grab those arm zippers, zip them as high up as possible, then grab the 2 parachute toggles that come down, and then pilot yourself down to the landing zone.
Can you see those toggles coming down? How do you know they're there if you have goggles on?
Those are also going to be modeled both in the simulation, and then they're also going to be
Oh,
physical.
okay. So you can see
So
them.
you're going to be able to see them.
Okay. Okay.
And then, just in case you don't get those toggles for any reason, we have your suits programmed to get you to the bottom safely. Either way, so you don't have to worry about it.
Okay.
And then you'll both want to hold those 2 red tabs on the end of your sleeve while flying today, just to make sure those zippers don't unzip on you while you're flying.
Okay. So
Finally, when zipping up and down those sleeves, I recommend you grab those red tabs and pull out before going up or down. That'll prevent the zipper from biting or anything, just catching your skin. Okay, any questions? All right, in that case, can you both show me a left turn?
a left turn. Like this.
So left turn's going to be
Oh,
left arm forward.
Left arm
right
forward.
back.
Okay. Left arm
Just like
forward.
this.
Yeah.
Right turn's going to be.
No, no leaning.
It's going to be the movement of the.
It's like twisting your
Yeah.
body. Twisting your body.
Left turn.
So
Yeah.
left arm
so
forward.
Left turn's going to be left hand forward, right arm back. So
this.
like this.
Like this.
This is like.
If I'm turning my left, that makes
No, it's because you're not. Like an airplane.
Yeah. So an airplane, in order to turn left, it
You have to do.
down.
Yeah.
Kind of think of this.
So think. Left turn, left hand up. Right turn, right hand up.
Right. And then how do you go up and down? Looks like you feel good to go. We'll you zip those arms just halfway up quickly. I'm going to hand you each one of these. That in turn is going to handle people that are helping you out in the base, and we'll get you both going. Ready?
All right. So what are we gonna wear here? Headset. Ooh, nice. Let's see.
Yeah, I'll put this headset on.
Okay, might be easier without glasses. So
Yeah.
we're gonna have to do it without glasses. Glasses a little bit too big.
it's right here next to it. Go. All set. Got your stuff in this bin right over here. We've got a drink card. You're welcome to get anything from that.
Thank you.
Finally, in the base camp area in 3 minutes or so, we're going to be showing a highlight reel from your second jump. You're also going to get a link to download that.
Okay, cool. Thanks.
Of course. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you. See you at 5:30 or 5:45. I'm sorry, tell Maria.